letter is this now, Amo?
Letter S.
Very good. What about this?
Letter E.
Oh, alam mo man pala, what letter is this? Ay, sige na, you focus. Sige ka man lingi-lingi, oy. What letter? This one.
D.
Sige, D. Para ma-happy si kuya mo. What about this one? What letter is this?
B.
B. Very good. This one.
S.
Huh?
This one.
C.
C. Very good. What letter is this?
A.
Very good. Last na lang ha. One more time. Wow, what letter is this?
B.
Huh?
C.
D.
B or D? B or D?
D.
D. Very good. This one. Okay. Ikaw lang. What letter is this? You know that.
E.
Very good. Ikaw lang ha. What about this one?
S.
Very good. How about this?
C.
Wow, perfect. This one?
A.
Wow. And this?
B.
Yay, very good. Give me 5. Yay, good job. Okay, I will share to you my screen, okay? Let's have the activity that we had yesterday. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, now tell me, Vanisha, how do you read this word? What's this? It starts with letter A?
Car.
It starts with letter A. Ano gayong sound ng A? A?
Apple. Apple.
Apple. Very good. Draw a line. Mag-draw ka ng line going to the picture. From this word to the picture. Okay, go, go, go. You can do it.
I cannot do it.
Ah, you cannot. Which picture? 1, 2, 3. Which picture? 1, 2, 3. Apple. Where is apple?
Here.
Picture 1, 2, or 3. Saan man? 2. Very good. How about this one? It starts with letter D. D. Like this.
Oh. Dog.
Dog. Which picture? 1 or 3? 1, 3.
3.
Very good. What is this? Starts with letter C.
Car.
Car. Where is a car?
Here.
What number?
1.
Very good. That is right. Let me give you a star. Great job, Vanisha. Yay! Very good. Okay, now what about here? What's this? It starts with letter F. Fan.
Fan.
Oh, where is the fan, Vanisha?
Here.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Where is the fan? Is the picture 4? Is it the picture 5? Or is it the picture 6?
6.
6. Very good. What is this? It starts with letter E. What is this? What is this? Vanisha, Vanisha. What is this, Vanisha? It starts with letter E. The sound is E. E.
Egg.
Egg. Very good. Is it the picture 4 or picture 5?
Picture 4.
Picture 4. Very good. How about this one here? This is letter, it starts with the letter B. What is the word? B, a,
B. B.
b.
B.
Bag. Bag. Okay, what picture? Picture number? What number, Vanisha? Vanisha? Picture number? Picture number?
Picture number is
Bag. Where is the bag? Picture
here.
picture number
5.
5. Ayun. Okay, let me give you a star here. Give me 5. Woo! Wow. Now this one, Aisha, Vanisha, tell me, what can you see? I say, what do you see? You can say, I see an apple. Can you read?
I see an apple. I
An.
see a bag. I see a car.
Very good. But this one is an apple. An apple. I see an apple.
I see an apple.
Very good. Number 2, I see.
A bag.
Yes, I see a bag. Number 3.
I just see a chicken.
Yes, there's chicken here. Okay. Number 3, I see a, what is this? I see
Car.
a car. Very good. How about this? What do you see, Vanessa? I see. I see.
Read it
Louder.
loud.
A
I
dog.
can't hear you.
I see a dog.
Very good. Ito is an egg, ha? What do you see?
I see a egg.
An egg.
I see a fly.
I see a fan.
And
Okay, Vanessa, listen to me. This is an egg. I see an egg. Go.
I see an egg.
Fan. I see.
A fan.
I see. Go. I see.
I see a fan.
Oh, wow. Very good. Okay, now let's do this one here again. Okay. I see. Go.
Apple.
I see. Go.
Apple.
I see. Come on.
I
I
see a
see an
I see apple.
I'm going.
I see an apple. Okay? I see an apple.
I see an apple.
Very good. Meron ako pakita sa'yo. I will show you something, okay? And you tell teacher, what do you see? Okay?
I see a
Yeah, I will show you something. Look at
I
this
see
picture.
a face.
Look at this one, Ayesha, Vanisha. What
Apple.
is this? What is this? Can you see this one?
Apple.
Okay, okay, okay. Wait. I will show you my a picture from my phone. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at here. What can you see, Vanessa?
Bag.
I see.
Bag.
Ano? I
Bag.
see. Can you say I see?
Bag. A bag.
I.
See a
You start with I.
I
Mm.
see a
Bag.
bag.
Very good. What is the first letter of the word bag? B. What letter is B? It's letter B.
But
Okay?
why can you every time here? Because it's already done.
Huh?
That one's already done,
Okay. Look at here. What is this? What do you see?
Apple.
What do you see?
Apple.
I
Okay.
I
See,
see an apple. Go.
I, I see
An
An apple.
an apple. Very good. Okay, what about this one? What can you see?
A dog.
Okay, I see a.
A dog.
Yeah, I see a dog. Very
Can I
good.
see a dog?
How
Is
about
that a baby dog?
a baby dog? It says. "Meow."
Can I see it?
What is this? What do you see? I
A
see.
car. A car.
You start by saying I
Broom, broom. I see a
a
car.
car. Very good. Okay, how about this one? Okay,
I
that's a
see a
sentence
car.
pattern. Okay. Look at there. Look at here. There are three
Egg. Egg, 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 egg,
eggs.
egg, egg,
Okay,
egg.
say marami siya. It has to have S. So I can see three. I see three eggs.
I see three eggs.
How many
Is that,
eggs?
is that your home?
Huh?
Amo. Is that
The,
the home where you live?
you know, this is the eggs. These are the eggs of the chicken.
And then you want chicken. How you do that?
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, how you do that? Really? How you do that? Do you
Oh,
know how to do
what
that?
is this? What is this?
Fun.
A fan. So very good. Can you say I can see? I see a go.
Fun.
I
I see a
fan.
fun.
Very good. Okay. Very good, Aisha. Okay. Now tell me, Aisha, last na lang ito ha, because I want to know if you know already the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. I want to know the letters A, B, C, E, F. Okay. If yeah, I want to check what yes. Okay, can you tell me what letter is this?
S, S,
Very good. F. How about this?
E, E, E,
Wow. E, this one.
C, C, C,
Wow, this one.
B, B, B,
D.
B,
D,
B,
D. This one.
B, 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 bug,
Yeah, what letter? What let
B, B,
Wow,
B,
very good. And this one? Come on. Isa na
egg,
lang.
egg, egg.
Yes, A. Very good. Give me 5. Yay! Thank you so much. Vanisha, you did very well in our lesson for today.